Is your INFINITI G37's alarm randomly going off? The most common culprits are faulty door hood switches and a weak key fob battery. First, the switches. These magnetic sensors detect when your doors and hood are closed. Over time, they corrode or misalign, sending false open signals to the car's computer, ECU, and triggering the alarm. Solution: visually inspect them for corrosion or damage. You can use a multimeter to test their continuity. A bad switch needs replacing. Aftermarket smart switches with built-in diagnostics are a good upgrade. Second, the key fob battery. It needs a healthy CR2032 3 volts lithium coin cell to communicate properly. If the voltage drops below 2.5 volts, the ECU might think there's a security breach. Replace the battery. It's a cheap and easy fix that solves many alarm issues. Note, these issues affect an estimated 15 to 20% of G37 owners. If new switches and a fresh fob battery don't solve the problem, try a hard reset. Disconnect the car's battery for 10 to 15 minutes to clear the ECU's memory. Then, reconnect the battery and reprogram your key fobs following the owner's manual instructions. However, if problems persist, there could be deeper issues with the body control module or even the ECU itself. Modern solutions include using smartphone apps with OBD-Link or Torque Pro to scan for alarm faults. These apps use AI diagnostics to pinpoint the problem and reduce false positives. As a last resort, consider aftermarket keyless entry systems with app control to bypass the factory system. Remember to consult a professional mechanic for electrical work if you're not comfortable tackling these issues yourself. Annual inspections can prevent many alarm problems.